Hey guys, Jim from Measure Square here. In this Android video, we are going to cover how easy it is to navigate the Measure Square app for Android and where a lot of our important tools are that you'll be using. This is our takeoff screen. If we go to the top left, we have our home icon. This will take us to our diagram screen, which you'll see when you first open the app. We'll tap back on to Ocean Avenue project. Now we'll see that our project is towards the bottom right. If we need to adjust our view, we can go to the views icon towards the top right, tap on zoom to fit. This will always take us to a really nice zoomed in view of our project if we ever move around and kind of lose it. So I can pinch my fingers in to zoom out a bit and then pinch to zoom to go back in, just like you would with a photo on our phone. Now going back towards the top left, we have our tools icon. This is where a lot of our important drawing tools are going to live, along with our doors, stairs, cutouts, elevations, and so on. Next icon over is the product icon, and this is just another little shortcut to get to our product catalog, which is located in our widget panel that is showing on our left side. If you do not see this widget panel, tap on the arrow to condense. Tap on the arrow again to pop it right back out. We'll go over that in a moment. Estimate icon is an easy way to adjust our layout directions of our roll goods, for example, if we want to do a quick direction change to vertical. And we also go to optimize to change some of our estimating settings for our roll goods, such as our cut margin and location of that cut margin. So if I tap optimize, you can see we can change the direction, the length of the margin, roll cut options, cut margin towards the bottom, the max amount of T-seams it may add when it first puts a product into a room for the roll goods. Tap on advanced settings. We'll have some more settings as well that we can edit, such as the linear length roundup and roll cut roundup for the cuts. I tap done to back out. Now, once our takeoff is done, we'll have our reports icon next to estimate, and this is where we'll be able to create our forms, print a summary report, and tap on project info as well to adjust the details of this project, such as a customer info, job site, contact and address, management info, and even some notes for internal reference. Tap at the back arrow to back out. The share icon is an easy way to share this file via email and other apps on your Android device. Now, as you're doing your takeoff, you'll see an undo and redo arrow at the top right. So if you mess up, you can always take a step back or take a step forward if you want to redo that undo. Again, we'll go to that views icon one more time. We already went over zoom to fit. We have our view options if you need to deselect anything that may be showing on the screen. If the dimensions are cluttering up your view as you work on it, you can always just turn those off by toggling off the little blue icon. Feel free to explore these as you do your takeoff. We go back to the views one more time after we hit done. We'll have a 3D view of our project. So if we tap 3D view, we'll get a great 3D view that we can rotate just using our finger to manipulate to get a better angle. This is a great option to show the customer when you're out in the field with them. Tap back. We'll have our gear icon at the top right, and this is where we can explore our project and system settings. If I tap on system settings, this is where we are going to be able to edit our default settings, such as our default door width, wall thickness, carpet and vinyl layout settings. If we don't want to see those pop-up boxes when we add in a room or a staircase, for example, and we want to adjust other things such as our font settings, edit our product catalogs, and also edit our sync settings. I'm going to hit done at the top right. And to go over our widget panel on the left side, we'll have our widgets selected first, where we can see our doors and windows. We'll have some pre-made rooms that you can edit and create yourself as well, along with the pre-made ones we already have for you. We have our cutouts, which are great for cabinets, sinks, and tubs. And then we also have our stair templates that you can easily drag and drop in to your takeoff. If I tap on products at the bottom, we'll see the product catalog that we have loaded that we can scroll through to easily drag and drop products in to our takeoff. Once we have products in our takeoff located in rooms or on walls, we can tap on assignment and we'll see all the products that are located just on this project within any of these rooms. If I tap on patterns, we also have our tile patterns that we can easily drag and drop into a room as well. Now for the roll goods, very importantly, we have our cut sheet that we can always drag up from the bottom. I'll condense our catalog to get a little bit better view here. I can drag this up as high as I want, and we can use that pinch to zoom in the same manner to get a better look at these cuts as well, along with tapping on cut list to see all of our cuts and their dimensions. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos, and happy measuring.